Hey, this is Dr. Dan with a quick video on how to create ICS calendar files using ChatGPT. My wife sent me a web link to outdoor summer concerts here in Fort Collins. I didn't want to put them all in my calendar. So what I did is I went to each individual website, or I could even copy it from that main site if I'd wanted to, and copy this website, bring it over to ChatGPT, and then put them in here, create an ICS calendar file for all these events. And I put a whole series of events in here. Then I hit start. Took a little bit to analyze. A few seconds later, it scraped all the information from the available websites. Now, there were some restrictions on the Lagoon concert series it wasn't able to grab, but it listed all the different things that it could find. And then it essentially listed the ICS file content. Now, while it didn't directly produce the ICS file, I then copied this code over into a text editor and then saved it as an ICS file. And lo and behold, I was able to import this into my calendar, and it had all the information I was looking for.